Okay, students, now it's time for some fun. Hopefully you followed the directions on the slide prior to this that gave you the instructions on how to create a little tool with some straws. So for this activity, you will need 2 bendable straws and a pair of scissors, and follow the instructions on the slide that was just before you got to this video. So now you should have a tool that will help you to form different types of angles. So let's take a look at my tool that I created. All right, so here we are with our straw tool. With the straw tool, we can create different types of angles. We can create angles that are wider. We can create angles that are smaller. We can create different types of angles as we bend the straw. So let's talk about the 3 different types of angles that we learned about in our lesson today. We have either a right angle, we could have a angle that is less than a right angle, or we can have an angle that is greater than a right angle. So as I make different angles with this straw tool, please think in your mind what type of angle it is. So here's our first angle. Let's do this one. Okay, take a look at it. Which type of angle is it? Is it greater than a right angle? Is it a right angle, or is it less than a right angle? This angle is greater than a right angle. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to take the straws and bend them, and I'm going to shape the straws by forming them, putting it up against this corner. Okay, so now, whoops, let's try that again. Okay, I'll get a better grip on it. Now we have an angle that created a perfect corner on the inside of the angle. So we know that this type of angle will be what? Will it be greater than a right angle, less than a right angle, or will it be a right angle? Well, because there was a corner created on the inside of the angle, we know that this angle must be a right angle. Okay, let's try one more. I'm going to take my straw tool and I'm going to bend it, and squish it together. And now we have this angle. What type of angle is this? Is it greater than a right angle? Is it a right angle? Or is it smaller than a right angle? This angle is smaller than a right angle. If we wanted it to become a right angle, we would have to open it up until it made that corner on the inside. Okay, go ahead and now with your straw tool, go ahead and try and make different types of angles and decide if they are right angles, less than right angles, or greater than right angles. Enjoy a little fun time with your straw tool.